Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to connect your laptop to Samsung Smart TV through screen mirroring. Today we are going to be using Windows 11. Step 1. Checking if Miracast is supported by your PC or not. Step 2. Install wireless display. Now let's start by installing the wireless display first. We're going to press the Windows symbol key and I, which will take us to Settings. Go to Apps. And on Apps, select Optional Feature. Click View Feature. And let's type in Wireless Display. Let's check it and click Next. This is going to install our wireless display feature. Step 3. Connect to a wireless display. In the next step, we'll be connecting to a wireless display. Open Settings. And from here, what we want to do is we want to go to Displays. Click Multiple Displays. And connect to a wireless display, and click Connect. It's looking for available displays. And let's connect to the DEN display. And on the DEN display, it's going to ask permission. And I'll hit Allow. It says follow any instructions, and it says on the TV connecting Tommy computer.